Welcome to the HAL APS channel. In this video I will show you how you can influence the sequence of tasks to be scheduled. HAL has basically a very large possibility of creating sequences. The criterion can be any. In our example we have 3 products, the engine hood for a Ferrari car in 3 colors. As an example, a combination of up to 5 different parameters influencing the sequence was proposed. The first is sales tops, the second is contractual penalties, the third is the color of the engine hood, the fourth is the product margin, the fifth is the carbon footprint. In the task configurator, HAL highlights the selected sequence with appropriate colors. Each parameter has an assigned weight and sorting order. In this way we can create the ideal changeover sequence, changeover wheel, trade preferences, financial preferences, etc. This is a powerful mechanism that gives completely different possibilities than basing only on the date. For more information on HAL APS, including our list pricing, please visit the HAL APS web page. If you're looking to learn more about using HAL APS, our YouTube channel offers a vast selection of tutorial videos.